Do you ever find yourself staring at your screen, a brilliant idea for investing in cryptocurrency bubbling in your mind, but then a familiar roadblock appears? How do I actually fund this? Specifically, if your go-to online payment method is PayPal, you might be asking the million-dollar question, can I use PayPal with Gemini? It's a question that echoes across forums, pops up in search bars, and keeps many aspiring crypto enthusiasts from taking the plunge. And it's a completely valid one. PayPal, with its ubiquitous presence and ease of use, has become the digital wallet for millions worldwide. Gemini, on the other hand, is a leading cryptocurrency exchange, renowned for its security, regulatory compliance, and a diverse range of digital assets. The idea of seamlessly bridging these two financial powerhouses is undeniably appealing. But is it a reality, or just a digital dream? For years, the relationship between traditional payment giants like PayPal and the nascent world of cryptocurrency was, shall we say, complicated. There was skepticism, regulatory hurdles, and a general wariness from established financial institutions towards the decentralized, often volatile nature of digital assets. This meant that direct integration between platforms like PayPal and crypto exchanges was rare, if not non-existent. You'd often find yourself jumping through hoops, withdrawing funds from PayPal to your bank account, then transferring from your bank to the exchange. It was clunky, time-consuming, and frankly, a deterrent for many. But the financial landscape is constantly evolving. What was once a niche, fringe concept, cryptocurrency has steadily marched into the mainstream. Institutions are recognizing its potential, regulations are slowly but surely catching up, and user demand for easier access is at an all-time high. This shift has forced traditional payment providers to reevaluate their stance. So, let's cut to the chase and address the core question directly: can you use PayPal with Gemini? The answer, as of my last update and current understanding, is not directly for funding your account in the traditional sense. This is a crucial distinction and one that often leads to confusion. While PayPal itself has ventured into the cryptocurrency space, allowing users to buy, hold, and sell certain cryptocurrencies directly within their platform, this functionality does not extend to directly depositing funds from your PayPal balance into your Gemini account for trading. Think of it this way: PayPal's crypto service operates somewhat like a separate, albeit integrated, walled garden. You can interact with crypto within PayPal, but that doesn't automatically mean your PayPal balance becomes a direct funding source for any external crypto exchange, including Gemini. This might be disappointing news for some, but it's important to understand why this is the case. Cryptocurrency exchanges like Gemini operate under strict regulatory frameworks. They need to comply with anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations, which require robust verification processes for funding sources. While PayPal has its own security measures, the direct transfer of funds between a PayPal account and a crypto exchange adds layers of complexity that both sides may not yet be fully equipped or willing to navigate seamlessly from a regulatory and operational standpoint. Furthermore, consider the chargeback risk. PayPal is renowned for its buyer protection policies, which include mechanisms for chargebacks. In the volatile world of cryptocurrency, where transactions are irreversible and prices can fluctuate wildly, a chargeback mechanism could introduce significant risks for an exchange. Imagine a scenario where a user funds their account with PayPal, buys crypto, the price drops, and then they initiate a chargeback. This could create significant financial and operational headaches for the exchange. So, if direct funding isn't an option, what are your alternatives when you want to use funds currently held in your PayPal account to invest on Gemini? The most common and recommended pathway involves an intermediary step: your bank account. Here's a breakdown of the process. Withdraw from PayPal to your linked bank account. This is a standard feature within PayPal. You can initiate a withdrawal of your PayPal balance to a bank account that you have previously linked and verified. This process typically takes a few business days, depending on your bank and location. Deposit from your bank account to Gemini. Once the funds have cleared in your bank account, you can then initiate a deposit from your bank account to your Gemini account. Gemini supports various fiat deposit methods, including ACH transfers for U.S. users or wire transfers, depending on your region. These methods are robust, secure, and fully compliant with regulatory requirements. While this two-step process might seem like an extra hurdle, it's currently the most reliable and secure way to bridge your PayPal funds to your Gemini investments. It ensures that both PayPal and Gemini adhere to their respective regulatory obligations and minimizes potential risks associated with direct, immediate transfers. Now, let's talk about the future. Is it possible that direct PayPal integration with Gemini or other major crypto exchanges could become a reality? Absolutely. The trends are certainly pointing in that direction. We've already seen PayPal dip its toes into the crypto waters. As mentioned earlier, they allow users to buy, hold, and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash directly within the PayPal app. This is a significant step, signaling their growing acceptance and understanding of the crypto market. As they continue to expand their crypto offerings and as the regulatory landscape for digital assets matures, it's not unreasonable to expect further integrations with external platforms. Furthermore, competition among payment providers and crypto exchanges is driving innovation. Users demand convenience, and platforms that can offer seamless, low-friction experiences are likely to gain a competitive edge. If a direct PayPal to Gemini funding option could be implemented securely and compliantly, it would undoubtedly be a huge win for users. Consider the potential benefits: instant funding, bypassing traditional bank transfer times, and leveraging a payment method already familiar to millions. The technical hurdles are certainly surmountable, and the regulatory complexities, while significant, are being actively addressed by governments and financial bodies worldwide. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.